What's going on, Euro-Driven fam? This is John. Today we're going to be talking about the 2019 BMW X5. I'm going to be telling you guys why is it the ultimate SAV. Let's get it. How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about the 2019 X5. Throughout the X5 models, there have been 4. This is the latest one. They all started from the E53, E70, F15, and now the G05. So I'm going to be talking about a few features about this car. First and foremost, what's new about this car is the engine. So this X5 is equipped with the B58 3-liter inline 6. It's BMW's latest 6-cylinder engine. It produces around 335 horsepower and 332 feet-pound of torque. But with BMWs, they're very underrated. I saw a post on Beamer Post, I believe, where they did a dyno run on a 340, and the results were 330 wheel horsepower. And this car feels way underestimated. Like, I raced my brother's car with this, which is a 330 that's tuned, and this car still took it. And his car is pushing over 300 horsepower with the DME tune. So the standard features with this car are the LED headlights. With the previous model, they came xenon standard, and if you want to upgrade, you get the LEDs. But with this generation, you get the standard LEDs, and if you want to upgrade, you get the laser lights. From what I heard, those lights are very bright. Another standard feature is that they all come with the, I believe, the sport seats and heated steering wheel on all X5 models. And lastly is the displays. In the North American market, they both come with the latest iDrive with navigation. The display size are 12.3 inches. BMW has been using the same transmission, which is the ZF8, and in this car they programmed very well. The shifts are very crisp and quick. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to Sport Plus. So I'm gonna flick the paddle shift hard, and you will hear the engine shift. It just goes. The downshifts are crisp as well. With the automatic transmissions being so advanced, I see it. Like, now I understand why BMW ditched the dual clutch in the new M5. So with the torque figures, you get full torque starting from 1500 RPM all the way to 5200 RPM. Which allows the car to have almost instant power. And in comfort mode, these cars start in second gear instead of first. And for this car being underrated, 0-60 timings are 5.5 seconds. Like, that's unbelievable for a car this size and a family SUV or SAV. 0-60 in 5.5 seconds. Wow. Like, you have to understand the weight of this car, and this is just only a 6-cylinder model. The V8 models, the 50i's, I believe they're in the low 4s. Another interesting fact about the 50i models, they're not available in the European market. If you want to get a V8, you got to get the X5M. So with this X5, it's equipped with the M package, and with the M package, you get a few things. I'm going to be talking about the M aerodynamics, which are the bumpers. So on the regular X5s, you get the standard bumper, but with the M, the bumpers are a bit different. The exhaust note is also a bit different. With the M package, you get a standard 21-inch wheels. The front tires are 275s and the rears are 315s. Another few exterior features are you get a high gloss shadow line, black high gloss rails. Another cool feature about this new X5 is you can customize the sport settings. When putting in sport individual, you can customize your settings. I personally like to have the steering and suspension on sport and the engine and transmission on comfort. It makes the car much more refined and gives it that sporty feel. Another cool feature about the M package, which is new, are the painted M brake calipers. In the previous generation, when you get the M package, the brakes aren't painted. They come that dull silver color. You only get the M painted calipers when you get the X5M. But now when you get the M package on these cars, they come standard with the painted M calipers. Some BMW enthusiasts may think that BMWs are slapping on the M badges, putting more M. Honestly, they're doing that to give it a better appeal, to increase sales. But I personally don't mind it, as long as they don't have the M badge in the back. I'm fine. So in the 2019 X5, one thing they really improved on is the heads-up display. And first, there's a RPM gauge. When you're driving, you can see your RPM level on the heads-up display. And another cool feature, when you put the car in Sport Plus and floor it, you get shift lights. It goes from yellow to red. That's honestly a cool feature to have in a family SUV. Like, BMW is really stepping it up, giving it that, enhancing that driving experience. When you have this car in Sport Plus and give it some gas, when you upshift, it gives it a nice crackle. So I'll be showing you how it sounds when you're inside the car. Honestly, that sounds amazing. So in BMW's latest technology, you're able to control your music using hand gestures. So if you want to turn up the volume, you spin your hands clockwise. And you want to turn it down, you spin it counterclockwise. If you want to mute it, you point at the center with your two fingers. That's your unmute. If you want to change your song, you get your hand and you go to right. It changes. If you want to go back, you go. Honestly, this feature is nice when you have people in the car you want to show them, but it's kind of a hassle, you know. You kind of look weird in traffic, you know, when you're trying to switch songs, you know. They think you're trying to do a dance move. Overall, this car is a major improvement from the F15, but it does have its cons. I'll be making another video about this car's cons, and I hope you guys liked my video today. If you did, make sure to like and comment. And if you're new to the channel and you liked my video, make sure to subscribe. See you guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna add this bonus feature. When I was doing the exhaust clip of this car, right after I took off, there was an undercover just cruising along. I got lucky.